Yeah. Okay. So now we have a theorem called DeMoivre's, and I like to say it because I sound French, right? So if we can multiply and divide complex numbers, we can, of course, raise them to a power, okay? So when we raise them to a power, we raise the r's to the power, and we think about it as multiplying the thetas, but we're going to multiply the thetas by r. And again, if the result gives us a theta that's bigger than 2 pi, we want to take out the rotations. Okay, so let's look at our instructions here. Write your answer in trig form. Give exact values, not decimal approximations. So we would have 7 to the 3rd power, cis, 3 times 35. So let's see, 7 cubed. Uh-oh, I typed 187 cubed. That could be a problem. I should have known that, 343. Cis, 105. If we have radians, same thing. 4 to the 5th. Cis, 5 times 4 pi over 5. So 4 to the 5th is 1024. Cis 4 pi, right? Because my 5s will cancel. But that's more than 2 pi, so we want to take out our rotations. So that's actually going to end up being 1024 cis 0, right? Or 2 pi, depending on if they don't give you if they don't say that theta needs to be between 0 and 2 pi, then you could use either 0 or 2 pi, right? Because those end up at the same spot.